Hi guys, so it's part 4. Remember part 3? Why? So inumin na natin guys. I got in my lips. And I don't have any action. I'm gonna drink it again for a few of you. Hindi ko ano yun. Like, haha! Haha! Got it! So, okay guys, inumin ko na. Three, Talia, I want to see this. See this! Girl, tingnan mo. 3, 2, 1. Wait lang din. Pinipipi ko daw hindi manuli sa akin. Buti ka, ba't binilig mo? Ang laki. Ang raman na kinuha. No reaction. May tangin. May tangin bloom.
Buti nga sa'yo. Sagay.
May tangin blue. My tongue is blue. Look at guys. My tongue is blue. Oh my god. I didn't get my tongue to be blue. I thought it would be like not blue. This is a problem. Okay, we're gonna taste this again with 2 layers. So, it's gonna sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Here's that. Here you go, guys. Look lang. It got in the phone. It got in the phone. No. What? It got in the phone. Actually, like the dog is like some of the like drop. It got in the phone. No. Huh? It got in the phone. See no? This thing is blue thing got in the phone. Oh my god. No, I got even more. Wait, I'll clean it later. Oh my god. So where is bro? Nahiwalay ni sa.
Sa sobrang part. Sakay ka namin sa
Oh, buti nga sa'yo. Uminom ka ng tubig. Pag kinuubo ka, hindi ka umiinom ng tubig. Hindi pa bubalik-balikan mo sa mga sweet pan mo. Ito part 5. Part 6 bago.